in this class, we want to discuss about escape velocity. Escape from gravitational field. Escape from gravitational field. Now, what is the definition of escape velocity? The minimum velocity with which a body should be projected so that it moves into the space by overcoming the earth gravitational field is called escape velocity. Now let us take this object, drop, moves towards the earth. Why? The gravity. Now, if we can project it upwards, moves up and comes down. Why it is comes down when it is projected upwards means by the gravitational force. The velocity is gradually decreases, becomes zero, then after moves towards the ground by the gravity. Now, if we can throw the object, it never moves towards the earth. If we can throw the object, it is not moves towards the earth, means it must be escape from the gravitational field. It must be thrown with some velocity. That velocity is called escape velocity. If we can throw, it never comes back, it never comes to the earth. That minimum velocity is called escape velocity. Now, what is the definition of that? The minimum velocity with which a body should be projected so that it moves into the space by overcoming the earth's gravitational field is called escape velocity. Escape velocity denoted by V. Now, this is the earth. Throw. Consider a body of mass m thrown with velocity V. Its kinetic energy is K is equal to half mv square. When the object is in a motion, it has kinetic energy. Now, object is thrown with velocity v, so its kinetic energy is half mv square. Let us take equation 1. If the body moves upwards, let us take one point. That point is located at h height. If the body reaches h height from the surface of the earth, then gravitational force acts between them. What is a gravitational force when the object is at h height? Capital G, capital M, small m by r plus h whole square. At this height, object possesses potential energy which is equal to its kinetic energy. Moves at this point, it has velocity or not? Whatever the velocity at this point when it is projected, this at this point to the earth gravitational force is acts. But at this height, whatever the kinetic energy possessed by the object is equal to the gravitational potential energy. Already we have derived the equation for the gravitational potential energy. So, what is the equation for gravitational potential energy? Capital G, capital M, small m by r plus h. Let us take equation 2. Here we are know the statement potential energy is equal to kinetic energy. So, what is the kinetic energy? Half mv square. Potential energy, capital G, capital M, small m by r plus h. mm cancel. So, what is the equation? V square is equal to capital G, capital M by r plus h. From that we get the equation for the escape velocity. What is the equation for the escape velocity? V is equal to root 2 capital G capital M by R plus H. Escape velocity V is equal to root 2 capital G capital M by R plus H. Take root 2 outside. V is equal to root 2 root capital G capital M by R plus H. It is equal to which one? Orbital velocity. Now what it is shown? Escape velocity is root 2 times of the orbital velocity. Escape velocity is root 2 times the orbital velocity. Okay. Now what is the escape velocity? Another equation. The escape velocity, another equation we can do like this. Take this equation, multiply by r square, divide by r square. So you take this, we know this value is small g, and mechanism, finally we will get how much? V is equal to root 2 gr. Now escape velocity of the earth. Escape velocity of the earth is fixed value. How much that value means? 11.2 kilometer per second. How much the escape velocity of the earth? 11.2 kilometer per second. It is for the which one? Earth. Earth escape velocity is how much? 11.2 kilometer per second. This is the escape velocity of the earth. It means if we can throw the object in 1 second, it moves 11.2 kilometers, never comes back. If we can throw in 1 second, it travels 11.2 kilometers, never comes back. Means the gravitational force or gravitational field is not acts on the object, on the earth. If it is projected with 11.2 kilometer per second. This is also very important question in this chapter. Orbital velocity and escape velocity. Both are very important questions in this chapter.